everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today I'll be working on yet another layout for my bedroom. This one being the fourth layout for my bedroom because I've got baseboard which is on my bed, above my bed, which you can't see at the moment. Got Minster Road on the wall over there, which you still can't see. And then I've got the Thomas the Tank layout, which is underneath my bed, and you still definitely can't see it. So this will be yet another layout for my bedroom. This one will be a folding layout, just to show, well, it's mostly just to show how to build a folding layout, and I wanted to build a folding layout. It's only going to be a simple single loop, but yeah, I just had this spare gap of, basically it's about 1 foot wide, right beside the Thomas the Tank layout, and yeah, so I've got a 1 foot wide by 3 foot long 2 bits of wood. I am using plywood this time because I remember somebody telling me stop using MDF because it's probably bad for you, and so I figured I'd eventually follow what they suggested, and I've got myself some plywood. So I went down to Homebase, and the very helpful man down there also cut it up for me. Not fully cut up because I basically didn't want to waste this time, so I only got the basic things all cut up. So I got the 2 sheets of wood all cut up, so it's 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 by 3 by 9 mil, and 2 of them. This was meant to be treated timber, but they didn't have any of that, so I just got some normal timber, and it was cheap. So that was the main thing which I found about it. So I got some of them and got that all cut up, and yeah. All of this cost me, well, not these screws and that lot, just the wood, £30. So I'm quite happy with that. Considering that my other source of wood, it would have cost me £30 just for the plywood. So, yes. Anyway, I have been drawing out all the lines I need. So, got the one support back there. That will live there. I do need to cut a few bits off here. Cut a few bits. Same with there, so cut that bit off. Got all these screws which I acquired over the years from various projects around the house. Basically, we had some spare screws after the project, and I basically stuck them in my pocket. And here we are. Also got, what are these? These are the hinges, which I'll be sticking on the inside here. As this will be cut out, that's going to be cut off again. So we'll have a little gap here, a little gap over here, and this will be firmly screwed down and glued down, so it's fairly strong. And I'll be sticking hinges onto this. Maybe, what was it, to file a little groove for the hinges, just so that they're a bit more flush against the wood. So that's all the hinges. And I've got these little clasping locks so that it can lock together when it's set out, and then lock together when it's all put away. That's all the main things which I'll be doing today. Mostly I just want to put it all together just so I can tidy it up. This series won't be a regular series. It's going to be once every couple of months because I've got all the other layouts to do, so that's going to be a back burner layout, but just something which I wanted to do as well. So just think of it as an extra layout. So yeah, I'm going to stop rabbiting on and yeah, get to work. I won't do much recording of me cutting wood because I think you've all seen enough of me cutting wood and then failing badly at it, so I will save you from my embarrassment. So yes, I'll see you in a bit. Right, here we are with the finished, well, baseboard. And yeah, it's not looking too bad. Got all the clasps in the right spot, roughly anyway. So let me just take these off. There we go, and it should fold. I just need both hands here. There we go. And we've got one on this side. Ooh, didn't quite. There we go, and I've got one on this side going oddly the other way. And it's all done. So yeah, this is going to be a very simple single loop. So station's probably going to be where I am, which will have a passing loop. Have a little goods area over here. Have two little entrance sheds here, and then one single loop going round, a little bit of a curve here just to make some bit of variance, and all the way back round. And there'll be a couple of houses here, maybe a few other little things, and just countryside on that side. Very simple layout. Or was it the other way around? Doesn't really matter, it's roughly identical each way, but yeah, that's pretty much it really. So yeah, this is my new layout, and it's going to be living, there's the Thomas the Tank layout, it's going to be living in that gap down there. So you can see, not that very big, but it's big enough to stick a folded layout in. And I have been thinking of, let me just pack it back up. Come on. There we go. I have been thinking of probably painting the outside and also adding, very difficult to do this with one hand. There we go. I was thinking of adding a little carry handle so I can carry it around and well, take it places really. But I do want to paint the outside because I think it will do with a very nice painted job. Probably one of the last things I'll do. But it might be actually a better thing to do quite early. Yeah. Let me know what you think. Do you not like it? Do you like it? Either way, I've done it now anyway. But yeah, I've always wanted a little folding layout, and I've begun my journey on making one. Also, annoying thing, I did, it's not this side, it is one of these sides. It was over here. Yeah, one of these sides. I did kind of kill one of the screws. Because these gold ones are kind of dead. Well, not dead, they're kind of soft metal. And yeah, that's one of the other reasons why I stopped using the electric screwdriver. Other than it needed charging, it was eating the screws. So, good old trusty handheld one. Well, not hand, no, manual one. Anyway, I'm going to add a little carry handle there, and think about what to name this layout. So if you have any suggestions, actually by the time this comes out, it probably may have thought of something, but do let me know if you have any suggestions. I said it's just going to be a little LSWR branch line. So yeah. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, that's going to be it for me. So I'll see you all again next time. So take care now. Bye bye.